this person felt like deep, deep down inside, completely unconscious, I don't have a right to be receiving without giving back. It's selfish, it's needy, and I don't want to be that way, and I don't deserve it underneath. Not consciously. She's very empowered in other areas of her life, but this happens to be where the anxious attachment is very raw and vulnerable. So when she would want to be given to, and her partner might want to start giving to her, then she would start giving back instead of simply receiving. And the partner actually didn't want to be touched at the time, didn't want to be receiving herself. She just wanted to give, to provide the experience for her partner. This was the most vulnerable place over here. This feeling that I actually deserve love and attention without doing anything to earn it. So, what this couple can do, and if this relates to you, any pieces of this puzzle fit in your particular scenario dynamics, the things that they can do to help each other is the avoidant partner can have awareness and consciously choose to give to their partner first, to make sure that their partner's needs are being attended to, even when the partner doesn't ask for them. The partner doesn't ask because there's so much fear of being rejected. So for her to give to her partner, put her attention off her own needs and put them onto her partner's needs. This is something the avoidant partner can do. Something that the anxious partner can do is to open to receive and to ask for what they want. To advocate for their own needs. So instead of doubling down on giving, she gives less because it's very overbalanced. It's very unbalanced. And she starts asking and advocating for what she wants and needs. So these two things alone can help. First of all, having awareness of the dynamics underneath. The avoidant partner making sure they're attending not only to their own needs, but also to their partner's needs. To stepping outside of their comfort zone to give. And for the anxious partner to not overgive, to step back from that place of anxiety to overgive and to lean into, to stretch past, the fear, lean into the fear and stretch to ask for and advocate for what they want and need. Now bringing gentleness and kindness to themselves and each other throughout this whole process, and also helping remind each other to stretch and experiment with these new ways of being when the very strong habit pattern of the way they've been doing it their whole lives kicks in. So I hope that this glimpse into the dynamics through the lens of attachment has been helpful and shed some light on some patterns that may be plaguing you, and that also give you some first steps into how to address the imbalances and disconnect so that you can find your path towards more connection, more understanding, having both of your needs met more, and feeling more fulfilled and hopeful about your connection in and out of the bedroom. So thank you for listening. If this was helpful and you are interested in more tidbits of tips around intimacy, attachment, sexuality, feel free to check out my website at the link below. Thanks and many blessings.